Well, this car can do extreme stunts. Let's have a look. That's fun, isn't it? What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this JJRC stunt car which come with the features of extreme 360-degree tumbling and spinning, and I'm sure we all wanted to see what it is. So let's not waste too much of time. Let's have a look what comes within the packaging and go ahead with the demonstration. And by the end of this video, you will have an idea that is this a stunt car for your loved ones or for yourself or not. If anything you would like to know about this product, link is available in the video description too. So let's go ahead with the quick unboxing and see what we have in here. Voila. One straightforward and only one page user instructions which will explain to you how to use this car as well as the remote, but I think you don't need it. I will show you each and everything within the video. Come with one screwdriver to open a battery compartment of your remote control as well as the car. One standard USB charging cable for the battery of your car. One very standard looking 2.4 GHz remote control. Now this 2.4 GHz remote control takes two AA batteries which are not included in the package. So pound and run will be great. Now in last but not least we have our RC stunt car where you have a 4 wheels and a very strange action like this. You can see that it looks funny, to be honest with you. Now on top of this stunt RC car you have an on and off button and the battery compartment on the top which can be opened using the provided screwdriver. Now this stunt vehicle is a 4-wheel drive, so front and the rear both are linked together, and one wheel is big and small too, which seems to be obvious from the looks, to be honest with you. I don't know why I said that. Now in the front of the vehicle you also have some LED lights which will illuminate when you are running it. Now let's charge up the batteries and go ahead with the demonstration and see how this vehicle is going to perform, and let's find it out that it is a good fun or not. Let's power it up. As soon as you power up, you're going to see the illuminating LEDs in front. Now first let's have a look into the operation of the remote control. For the reverse, both levers down, forward, up. Now if you'd like to do left donuts or right donuts, very nicely done. Ooh. that is really just a great fun, to be honest with you. When you do the donuts on this car, it just lifts up. Actually, look at this. Wow, that's awesome. Think about it, running in the dark and look amazing for sure. Look at this. Now let's do the right one. Well, it's not a bad stunt car, to be honest with you, and it's a fun as well to play with. Look at the arrangement of wheels, it's all look awesome as well. With the lights on in the night, it's gonna look great, to be honest with you. I like it so much, so I would highly recommend, to be honest with you. I'm sure you're going to find yourself with it and enjoying it too. Now if you're interested in purchasing this, link is available in the video description. If you still got any more questions, you can feel free to ask in the comment section down below. See you then, guys. Bye for now.